On this video today, I'm going to show you an easy strategy that you can use to make money with ChatGPT and Claude.ai. This strategy is very simple, and the best part is that you are going to set it once and you are going to be making money consistently without taking any further action. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join Digits24, which is available worldwide, or any other network that you want. In this case, I'm using Digits24, so join Digits24. Once you join Digits24, what you need to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace on Digits24, you are going to get a lot of different products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to make money from home. But in this case, I have a specific product that I'm going to promote. So we are going to search for that product. So you can search right here for the product. But if you don't have a specific product, you can click right here and then sort the product so that you can get a product to promote. You can also search by category by click on digital products and then find a suitable category that you want. In this case, I have a specific product, so I'm going to click on the digital products and then scroll down, look for health and fitness, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are all the products under the health and fitness. So search for keto. Once you search for it, you are going to get a lot of different products that you can promote. You can see these are keto products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see cleansing, Sana robot, the gut reboot. This is a keto supplement. You can see this is also a keto supplement that you can promote. When you scroll down, you can see this is a keto supplement. When you scroll down, you can see this is a keto meal plan. So any of them that you want, you can promote. So for example, this product is a popular product that you can promote, but when you check the cut conversion rate, it is extremely low. You can see 2%. That is extremely low, but the rest, some of them have higher cut conversion rate and others have low. This one, for example, you can see the cut conversion rate is 20%. The cut conversion rate is the number of people who click on a link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. You can see it is written visitors who open the order form and then make a purchase. So that is the cut conversion rate. So the higher the cut conversion rate, the higher the likelihood that you are going to make a sale when people click on your affiliate link. There's another one, it also has a cut conversion rate of 19%. So any of them that you want, but you can see this one, the commission rate is very high. We are going to be earning $134 per every sale that we get. So it's a good product that we can promote. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to be promoting this product. If you want to check further details about the product, you can click on it. If you also want your affiliate link, you can click right here, promote now, so that you can get your affiliate link. But we don't need the affiliate link now, so just leave it. But if you want more details about the product, you can just click on it, click on sales page, and then get more information about the product. You can see this is the product. It's a supplement. You can check the information on the landing page before you promote it. Now that we know the product, the next step is that you have to come on Claude.ai. Claude.ai is one of the best AI tools that you can use to promote affiliate products, because it is going to do all the work for you and you have to be making the money without paying for anything. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to ask Claude.ai to write us an email which we can use to promote the product we have selected on Digits24. So just write something like, write an email to promote a keto diet supplement for slimming, something like this, for slimming. So once you have your prompt like this, just click on send so that Claude.ai can write a high quality email for you. So just wait for it. Within some few minutes, it is going to write a high quality email for you which you can use to promote the product. You can see it has generated an email for us which we can use to promote the product. You can see this is an email that we can use to promote the product. You can see everything. This is the email, and you can see there's a call to action where we can insert our affiliate link. This is the email. You can see the email, it has written 2 of them, which we can select the one that we want. You can see this one is benefit focused email and this one is story driven email. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to set up a Gmail account which we can use this message to promote the product. So what you have to do is that you have to create a Gmail account. It is easy to create a Gmail account, and more to the point, it is free. So wherever you are, you can create a Gmail account. Once you create your Gmail account, what you need to do is that you have to click right here, setting. Once you click on setting, you can see, click right here, see all settings. Once you click on it, it is going to open like this. Now once it has opened like this, you can customize your Gmail, but we are not interested in all these details. There is a specific part which we are interested in. So just scroll down to the button so that you can set up your Gmail to be making money for free without paying for anything. So this is where we are interested in. You can see vacation responder. Vacation responder, when you set it on, what Gmail does is that anytime people send you a message, it will automatically respond with the message that you put in. If you don't want to be answering emails by yourself, you just want to respond to your potential messages with one response, you can set Gmail up and it will be responding to anyone who emails you with your specific response. So we have an email which we are going to be using to respond to anyone who send us an email. You can set the date. You can see this is the date. You can set the last date if you want. So just click right here and then set the last date. But in this case, we don't need a last date, so just leave it. Anytime you open the settings, it is going to be here, Gmail vacation responder off. So we have to put it on. So put it on. Once you put it on, the next step is that you have to leave a message here so that when people email you, Gmail can respond to them with your specific response message. Once you have set your Gmail, what you have to do is that you have to come back to Claude.ai and then copy your email. If you want the benefits focused, you can copy that. If you want the story driven, you can copy that. I like story driven because they give the social proof that the product is working. You can see this is a story about Maria. It proves that the product is working. So I'm going to use this, but you can use any of them that you want. Now that you have copied the subject line, you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste your main message here. So come back and then copy all this message, copy everything. Make sure you leave the location and the rest, the name section, just leave everything. Copy your message. Do not copy this, just copy your message. Once you copy your message, come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to insert your affiliate link. You can see these are call to actions where you can insert your affiliate link. So you have to come back to Digistudent4 and then copy your affiliate link. You can see copy affiliate link. You can see this is the product. Click right here, copy promo link. Once you copy your promo link, you have to come back and then insert it right here. You can see, just highlight this. Once you highlight it, you can insert your affiliate link. So all that you need to do is that you have to scroll up. You can see link, click on it. Once you click on it, paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Click on apply. That has been done. Once that is done, you can see your affiliate link has been inserted. Once that is done, you can see the next one. Just highlight it. Once you highlight it, what you need to do is that you have to scroll upwards again, select link, paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have set everything up, the next step is that you have to click right here, save changes. If you do not save the changes, nothing is going to change. So click on save changes. As you can see, the vacation responder is on. You can see it's on now. So if you want, you can come back later and then end the settings. So now that we have our message, we have our email address, the next step is that we have to get people to email us so that they can get access to our response and then purchase the product that we are promoting in the email, and then we are going to be making money on Digistudent4. So the next step is that you have to find a platform. There are many platforms where you can get people to email you. This is just part 1. I'll come out with part 2 how you can get people to email you and then purchase the product. So the part one, what we are going to do is that we are going to come on this website, reddit.com. Reddit is a social media platform where you can post for free and then get people to like your message, share it, or take a specific action that you want. So this is a very nice platform. It is free. You can see this post, for example, it has 45 upvote. Upvote simply means they like it. Downvote simply means they don't like the post. There are many posts which are getting thousands of upvotes, others are getting low. It depends on the quality of your post. You can see this one, for example, it gets 1.3k upvote. So it's a post that many people like. Now we are not going to be posting randomly. We have a targeted audience. We are targeting people who like keto meal plan or keto related posts. So we want to target those people. Now what we need to do is that you just have to search for keto. Let's search for keto meal. Once you search for it, you are going to get it. On Reddit, they have different communities that you can join. You can see this is a keto Reddit that you can join. It's a community. You don't just post anyhow, you post to a community. This one, for example, it has a lot of members. You can post, you can see a whole lot of them. So all that you need to do is that you have to join any of the communities that you want. You can just click on community. Once you click on it, you can see a lot of different groups that you can join. Let's click on this one, keto meals. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see it has opened. When you scroll down, you can see the number of people who are posting on the platform. You can see this is a post. You can see this one has got 23 upvote and many others. So you can see it right here. You can see 23 upvote and many others. So you can see a whole lot of them. If you want, you can join this one or you join any of them that you want. Let's go back so that we can see the best one that we can join. You can see a whole lot of them. On this video, I'm going to be posting on this subreddit keto meal prep. This is where I'm going to be posting so that I can get many people to email me. So now what you have to do is that you have to design a keto meal plan and then post it on the platform. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using ChatGPT to design a flyer for us which we can post on the platform to get many people to email us. So what we are going to do is that we are going to type a prompt right here. Prepare a keto diet plan for slimming. Make it in a flyer form. Include this email for viewers to contact for more detail. So now once you have your prompt like this, you have to enter your email address right here. So we can say jake34u@gmail.com. So something like this. This is your email address and this is the prompt. Click on it. ChatGPT will design you a nice image which we can use to promote on the platform. So just wait for it to design it for you. You can see these are images that you can use, but we don't need it many like this. We just need one. So let's say put it in a flyer. Just type so that it cannot group everything into a flyer for you which you can use to promote. You can see creating image. It is going to generate an image for you. Just wait for it. It will generate a nice image for you which you can use to promote the product. You can see the image has been created. This is your email address which you have set up in a vacation responder mode. So anytime people message you, Gmail will automatically respond to them. You can see this is your email address. The next step is that you have to download this image. So just click right here, download, so that you can download the image into your device. Now once you have downloaded the image, the next step is that you have to copy the title of your post. You can see keto diet plan for slimming. So just highlight and copy everything. Highlight and copy this. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on Reddit. Click right here, create post. Once you click on it, create post, you are going to paste the title right here. As you can see, that has been done. And then come right here. You can see images and videos. You can also click on it and then add your image or video. So select that. Once you select it, you have your title. Click right here so that you can upload the image that you created. You can see everything. Just select your image. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can also put some text right here. on ChatGPT, we have some text that we can copy and put. You can see these are text. Any of them that you want, you can just copy and then paste it there. So you can see the text, or if you want this one, you can copy everything. So let's copy this. Let's copy everything. We just want to add value so that people will take our post seriously and then take the action that we want them to take. So just highlight and copy this. Once you highlight and copy, come right here, you can see text or body text, just paste it. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to post it onto the platform. So click right here, post, so that your post can be sent onto the platform. As you can see, it is going to be posted onto the platform. You can see, get your post the attention it deserves. So you can do cross posting to other subreddits. Let me show you how your post look like. You can see this is your post. You can see everything. This is your post on the platform. You can see this is your post. You can see everything. So you are going to get the attention that you deserve, and many people are going to contact you for more details. Once they contact you, Gmail will automatically respond to them, and you are going to be getting people who will buy the product, and you are going to be earning a commission on days 224. You don't need to do anything else. As much as people keep on seeing this post, you are going to keep on making money when people purchase the product that you are promoting. That is it for today's video. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. I will come out with part 2, so make sure you kindly hit the subscribe button and then press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.